Back to our channel JK Technical Hub. Today we will look about NPTEL course Sustainable Engineering Concepts and Life Cycle Analysis. Brief for assignment for solution. Due date is 12th February 2025. So let us begin, guys. You can see the question number and their options. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Share the video with your friends within your common groups so that this video can reach to maximum number of peoples. Stay tuned for upcoming assignment solutions. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end.